Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a super bond repair hair treatment. I've been straightening my hair a lot lately, so it's definitely in need of a treatment. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Alright, let's hop into it. So I straightened my hair about 4 times in 2 months, and that's a lot of heat on my hair. So to get rid of any damage that I may have caused, I'm going to be doing a bond treatment. So if you guys have never did a bond treatment, it's really easy. You want to start off with clean, washed hair. And I'm going to be using Glaziplex Super Bond Repair Treatment. So this product is powered by Quad Bond technology. It repairs 4 different types of damage. So heat damage, color, chemical treatments, and styling for the hair. So it's going to help your hair repair. It's going to be stronger, shinier. So I've done this treatment before and it really does an amazing job. It only takes a few minutes, so it's supposed to only take 4 minutes. So I'm a big ingredient girl, and this product has 11 hair fortifying amino acids and hydrolyzed protein. So it's going to repair and improve the hair's core strength. It also has citric lactic acid, hyaluronic acid, PCA, and glycerin. So these ingredients are going to seal any split ends, cracks, lifted cuticles, and help your hair be stronger. So you're going to apply this product all over your hair to damp hair for at least 4 minutes. If you want a more sleeker hair, you can leave it up to 10 minutes. So this is a product that you can use weekly if you have severely damaged hair. So if you like to color your hair a lot, y'all know I loved coloring my hair in the past. So if you straighten your hair a lot, style it a lot, use a lot of heat tools. If you do chemical treatments like keratin treatments, or basically just anything that you know will cause your hair damage, this will help to repair it. So for me, this is definitely a must-have in my hair care treatment if I know that I've been treating my hair pretty badly. So I went ahead and put on my plastic cap and I let that sit for 4 to 5 minutes. So after the 5 minutes are up, I go ahead and rinse out all the product out of my hair, and this is how my hair looks. I'm going to go ahead and straighten my hair again. And you guys can see how much stronger my hair is. So I definitely recommend trying a bond treatment out if you have damaged hair, or if you're like me and you just straighten your hair a lot. I did it up close so you guys can see how stronger the hair looks and how shinier it looks. So overall, I'm very happy with the results. So if you guys have ever tried a bond repair treatment, comment down below in the comment section and let me know if you guys enjoyed it. How did your hair respond to it? And I'm excited to read the comments. And I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a huge thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Hit the bell so the notifications will come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Mariam J. Hampton at MH Hair Care. And you can shop all of your hair growth needs at mariamhampton.com. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!